again?
It's not telling me here. Although this says 12.46, so it may be finished at that. We could always go back on and delete some more memory if we have to. Look at the flowers up top there.
Oh, yeah.
See if I can get this. They do this in Germany and Switzerland a lot.
Oh, the 2 stories?
That. No, the flowers on the little flower racks. Sorry. beautiful garden. Yeah, I thought. Yeah, I was actually at the entrance and I just sort of. Now we may have about 7 minutes left. I'm not sure. I can always delete some more if we get to that stage, or we can just come back on whatever day. Yeah, of course. I wonder how old it is.
A little thing there.
Huh.
There are a couple of plaques on the door too. You might want to get. Over here.
Oh, right.
That way people can look at it in case
Yeah.
there's a bit of info on there that's interesting.
Ah. Yeah, this is from this Department of the Interior comments. That must be pretty old if it's genuine. It might be fake old to go in line with the things. This is quite a nice square. Oh, I've got the wrong one, it's further up.
Oh, this? Alright.
Yeah, next one.
Yeah, the other one you saw at the top, the one with the little courtyard.
Yeah.
Never had a picture together, so we needed to capture that. Sorry.
Oh, look at the squirrel.
Squirrel.
Yeah, I doubt if I'll get very close to him, but let's see.
Considering how close he is, he's probably used to people.
Yeah. Yeah, they would go a bit faster than this near where we live.
There's a big sheep over here.
Huh.
Oh, wow, there's squirrels everywhere.
If he could come back, whoever it's based on, he would have a fit, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Oh wow, people must feed them.
Yeah.
Actually,
there are
let's
dozens of them all over the place.
This looks a really nice squirrel. Spin round. And then we'll take a walk up round the fountain. Oops, too fast. looks like they're renewing this as well,
Yeah.
with all
I think
those
this
doors
is where that
stacked.
tea shop used to be.
Ah, there was a British one further down there somewhere.
I remember that backyard courtyard being somewhere near it.
Ah,
This whole place being a maze of like random little
Yeah.
back streets that go back and forth into each other.
excuse me. Thank you, ladies.
You know, that was 20 years ago. So
Yeah.
This place has been renovated like 3 times since then. So.
One place I'd really like to go is Helen in Georgia. We'll have to get up there sometime.
Yeah.
Huh.
There's a price on that. Doesn't look like it.
Oh, these are all leather goods
Yeah,
and stuff.
handmade leather. They got a cow right there if you didn't notice.
I thought it was, yeah. I was looking at
Cow.
it.
Yeah, for $30, it's not that bad.
No.
Especially if it's handcrafted.